guys, it's Faith here and you're watching Faith in America. Today I have a very special treat for you. Are you ready for this? Merry Christmas, guys! For today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to make the best egg rolls. Alright, but first, I wanted to start introducing my ingredients here. This is very simple, and I'm very excited that I'm able to do this for y'all because this is the most requested, the highly anticipated video of all. Alright, let's start. I have here, I'm gonna show you 2 pounds of meat. Okay, what I like to do is I like to mix the meat. I have a pound of pork and a pound of beef, ground beef, okay? And then my ingredients here, I have about a cup of onions, minced onions, pepper to taste, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of salt, a little bit of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of pickles. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to break up the meat. Okay, you want to break it up, that way it'll be easy to mix all the ingredients, okay, to marry all the ingredients together. All right, and that will also prevent you from what do you call this, like mixing the meat too much, and it's gonna make the meat really hard. So now that you break up the meat, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the onions. Okay. Onions, pickles, sugar, salt, pepper. Just put them all together there. And for the eggs, don't put everything, okay? You want to save some because we're gonna use this as a paste or a glue whenever we do the wrapping of the egg rolls. And then just mix it together. Okay, remember not to overmix the meat. Okay, now that this is mixed together, what I like to do is I like to put this in the fridge for about 2 hours. That way, all the ingredients will marry together. And it's called marinating the ingredients together. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 2 hours, and then we're gonna start the rolling of the egg rolls. Now guys, we are in the process of making rolling the egg rolls into the wrapper. Okay. What you want to do is to mix it a little bit, just to make sure that everything is mixed well together. So now we go to this wrapping portion. What you want to do is get about a teaspoon of the mixture, and then you want to kind of spread it out so you can make a log. Okay. And I like my egg rolls to be about 4 inches long. And then you want to do this. How do you say this? Like this. You kind of want to feel it and kind of compact the meat mixture. All right. And it takes practice, Took me 27 years to learn how to roll the egg roll. Anyway. And then you want about an inch to fold it here. No, actually, I'm just kidding. You just roll it first, and then when you get to the middle, okay, of the lumpia wrapper, this is the lumpia or the egg roll wrapper, okay? This is actually the secret of making really good egg rolls, the wrapper, okay? You cannot get this from Walmart. You have to go to an Asian store specifically for this. So if you want your egg rolls to really taste good and crunchy and the best egg rolls, you want to get that. So once you roll the wrapper in the middle part, then you can fold the end about an inch okay? And then you want to roll it again, okay? And when you get to the end, that's the time when you're gonna use the egg. Remember, I said don't use all the egg because you're gonna dip your fingers there and use it as a paste. That way you can close your egg rolls. All right, now I already have it here, 6 egg rolls. So what I do is I have a deep fryer next to me, okay? I set it on 350 degrees. And then I have it here. I'm just gonna line up my egg rolls. And then they'll be ready for my tummy. Alright, so what's the secret for making the best egg rolls? The secret for making the best egg rolls came from my maestro, Gordon Ramsay. I remember back then, when I used to work for Gordon Ramsay, I learned the best lesson. One day he came up to me in the kitchen. He said to me, "Faye, I need you to listen to me. I need you to cook egg rolls with lots of love and passion." And from then on, I promised myself, I will only cook egg rolls with lots of love and passion. Alright guys, after I put the egg rolls in the deep fryer for about 10 minutes, our egg rolls are ready. And I have here my special guest, my taste tester, Titus. How do you like your mom's egg rolls?
Well, I've tasted these before, so I'm gonna say they're awesome. And yeah, I'll taste them.
You want to take? You ready? They're still hot.
I know.
You need to be careful, okay? That's it, Pansit. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, hit the like, share, subscribe button, and the notification bell. That way you get updated every time I have a new video. For comments, suggestions, or questions, just write them down below. I'll see you guys next Friday. Have a great day and have a Merry Christmas.